Meet the 2027 Honda Odyssey. This isn't the typical minivan we've known for decades. Instead, it looks like a futuristic, sport-oriented interpretation, blending aggressive styling, advanced technology, and premium design elements into one stunning package. The first thing that immediately catches your eye is the completely redesigned front end. Honda has abandoned the traditional, friendly minivan look and replaced it with a bold, commanding look. The front end is dominated by a large, black honeycomb grille that stretches across most of the front fascia, giving the Odyssey a powerful and premium presence. Above the grille is an illuminated Honda emblem integrated into a sleek LED light bar that runs the full width of the vehicle. This creates a futuristic signature, especially at night. The headlights themselves are very thin and sharply curved, contributing to a more athletic appearance. Below, vertical LED daytime running lights create an aggressive frame around the bumper. These stacked LED elements are more reminiscent of a performance vehicle than a family vehicle. The front splitter adds another layer of sportiness. With a high-gloss black finish and red accent details, the splitter visually lowers the vehicle and improves aerodynamic performance. Moving to the side profile, the transformation is even more dramatic. While retaining the practical proportions of a minivan, the designers have added numerous performance-inspired details that completely transform the vehicle's character. The body sits lower than the current Odyssey, creating a commanding and athletic look. Large, multi-spoke alloy wheels perfectly fill the wheel wells, giving the van a performance-oriented look. Behind these wheels, red brake calipers further emphasize the sporty theme. One of the most striking elements is the aggressive side skirt package that extends along the lower part of the body. The carbon fiber-inspired accents help visually reduce the vehicle's height, while adding a touch of motorsport-inspired luxury. The shoulder line stretches cleanly from front to rear, creating a sense of movement even when the vehicle is stationary. The rear of this concept is perhaps the most dramatic part of the entire vehicle. Full-width LED taillights stretch along the tailgate, connecting the distinctive Y-shaped lighting elements at both corners. This lighting signature creates an instantly recognizable look and gives the Odyssey a significantly wider stance. The centrally placed illuminated Honda lettering adds a premium and futuristic touch. Beneath the lighting system, the bumper design becomes particularly aggressive. A large rear diffuser dominates the lower section, featuring aerodynamic fins and performance-inspired details rarely seen on family vehicles. A roof spoiler extends well beyond the rear window, helping to improve airflow while adding visual drama. Dual exhaust tips further reinforce the high-performance theme. Combined with the sculpted bumper and wide rear track, the rear of this Odyssey resembles more of a sports SUV or touring car than a traditional minivan. Step inside, and the futuristic theme continues. The cabin appears heavily inspired by premium performance vehicles and next-generation EV interiors. At its center is an ultra-wide digital display that spans nearly the entire dashboard. This arrangement combines the digital instrument cluster, infotainment system, navigation, vehicle settings, and performance information into one seamless display. The dashboard design is very clean and horizontal, emphasizing width and sophistication. Red ambient lighting flows throughout the cabin, extending to the dashboard, doors, center console, and even to the rear of the interior. These illuminated accents create a cockpit-like atmosphere that feels both luxurious and sporty. The steering wheel features a thick performance grip with contrasting stitching and integrated controls for various vehicle functions. Carbon fiber-inspired trim stretches across the dashboard and door panels, reinforcing the premium sport aesthetic. The center console adopts a futuristic, button-style gear selector layout, freeing up space and contributing to the clean, modern design. Under the hood, the futuristic Honda Odyssey could potentially use one of several advanced powertrain options. The most realistic possibility is Honda's next-generation hybrid system, which combines a turbocharged gasoline engine with the assistance of an electric motor. Such a configuration could produce between 300 and 350 horsepower, while maintaining excellent fuel efficiency. A more ambitious option could involve a plug-in hybrid configuration that produces more than 400 horsepower and offers significant electric-only driving range. For enthusiasts, Honda could even develop a performance-oriented variant inspired by its Type R engineering expertise. These enhancements would allow the Odyssey to offer a driving experience unlike any minivan available today. The 2027 Honda Odyssey represents a bold vision for the future of family transportation. Rather than hiding its size, the design embraces it while adding aggressive aerodynamics, futuristic lighting, premium materials, and performance-inspired styling. The question is simple: would you buy a high-performance Honda Odyssey that looks this aggressive? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for future car reviews and other automotive concept reveals.